Number 5-193J. This is a 2005 Jeep Liberty, and it looks like it is got a little bit of skip to it. Check engine lights on. I'm going to check that out in a sec. But the transmission shift's very nice. It sounds like it might have a little bit of a loose heat shield or something too. But we're going to see what that is in a sec. Alright, there we go. So yeah, you can see the check engine light on and stuff. I'm going to take and show you the hood in a sec. Okay, so this is the motor. She's definitely got a little skip to her. AC works nice and cold though, I will say that much. I mean, things look clean under here. I mean, the whole truck looks like it's been pretty well maintained. I did run the codes, and we have a 305 for a cylinder number 5 misfire, a 2305 for the number 5 coil specifically, 2314 for coil E secondary circuit, which I believe is that same coil, and we got a 132 for a bank 1 sensor, 102 sensor. Put them all together, I'm pretty sure you toss an 02 sensor at it and a number 5 coil, and I'm pretty sure this thing would run just fine. There is no overheat, no, you know, you can see the temp gauge right here. I've had it run in about 20 minutes. Nothing I'm really too concerned about. I've seen 3.7s put up a lot more stink. So I think the drivetrain on this thing's pretty... Oh, and the transmission shifted butter smooth. Transfer case it shifts between 2- and 4-wheel drive just fine. And it seems like everything works fine. So I think this is a good one.